Okay, so we're gonna be critics to our own pancakes. I just flipped this one.
Okay.
Isn't it yummy?
This was yours.
It is? Okay.
Yep.
It's flippy!
Yes, they are. This one was yours. Yep, this one was mine.
A big honker.
This one was mine.
I like the baby.
I don't like the baby.
Well, that one tasted gross. And now,
I'm going to start off with the big honker.
wait a minute. Wait. We have cool open it right here.
I'm actually going to start off with this huge
Can you hold this for a second?
Are you spray for goodness?
Hold on. Wow, why did I do that? I'm so
Fail.
stupid.
Shake it.
See? That's what.
Can I? Vicky, stop. Can I see? What are you doing?
Ready?
Oh. Okay. Can I see?
Oh, watch this.
Yeah.
I put it in my hair. I'm going to make smiley on my next pancake. Alright. Can they see us in here?
I do not know.
Vicky, that's gross. Get on there. Sorry,
No,
man.
it's over here. You fail. Okay, now I'll be testing. I should put some chocolate sauce, but
I don't want to hold it the whole time.
oh, here we go. Here we go.
Fail.
Is it a fail?
No, it's good.
Mine's good too, but I just wanted to say fail. Let's put this. I think it will fail there, but I'm eating a tight ball now.
I haven't even brushed my hair yet.
Hi, Vicky.
They're really good.
They are.
I'm really failed.
Mm-hmm.
We put the mix in too early.
Yes, we did. We like completely just like screwed up. But yep, this pear tastes pretty good. I haven't ate the big hunk out yet though.
I guess Megan named her pancake the Big Hunker.
You're the one who put it on. I'm like, that's a big hunker. Pancakes taste good with whipped cream. We need some music.
Adam Lambert for your entertainment.
Yes! I'm obsessed with him. I really, truly am. Vicky had to listen to him like all last night. I feel bad for her.
I was in Owl City.
Mm.
My dad just loves Adam Lambert.
Yes.
Yeah.
Adam Lambert is my screensaver.
It is. It's funny.
Mm.
Mine is me and my sister and my nieces.
Mine's Adam Lambert. Try holding it like this and holding it up to the pancake. Watch this, watch this. smelled like diarrhea. Yeah. Vicky, don't you dare. I know it.
Not until it's fine.
I know, still, you don't want to hurt it. I'm going to need that in a minute. But my screensaver wouldn't have done that. Wouldn't it have? Now you are looking at me. Now Vicky.
It melted.
Mhm. It is 2 o'clock. Or like 2:15, 2:17.
Mhm.
For a minute, I thought this thing had like a music note. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, here I go. See if I fail.
Guess what that is? Football.
Yes. Oh. I failed. I'll be right back.
That's something.
Yeah. I need to go. Oh, the napkins are right here. I'm smart.
Sponge.
Sponge, okay. They're kind of like SpongeBob.
Ew. The sponge is nasty. Oh, that's gross.
This?
No, this.
It's not working. I'm just gonna get this on. My mom would have yelled at me if I did this. She's not Adam Lambert. I will use his name very randomly, very often. Won't I, Vicky?
Mhm.
Yes. Anybody makes fun of him, I will kill them.
Why did that slip?
Vicky, I was like, I was like